today we're going to do a lemon pie. Never done this particular recipe, so it's going to be a first. I have done lemon pies before, and it's the best thing to make during the summer or the spring when it's starting to get warm outside. So let's get started with this one. You're going to need a cup of lemon juice, but you can use fresh if you want to. I'm just going to use the bottle from the store. If you use fresh, you're going to need 8 lemons. And since we're doing bottled, we're going to have a cup. So we need to get that going. Okay. Let's see here. All right. 1 cup if I don't spill it. Put 1 cup of lemon juice in a large bowl. And we're going to do 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. That's 28 ounces, 14 per can. We gotta get all the goodies out of that. That can. Another one. Okay. Okay, that about does it on that. And then it says add 2 eggs to that. Electric mixer until it's well combined. So let me go ahead and do that. For good measure, I'm going to use my whisk for the rest of this. Make sure that it's good and combined. It's a little bit too soupy. So just try to make sure. Okay. Now, your oven should have already been preheated to 375 for this, because you're going to put this in a graham cracker crust, which I already have ready right here. Let me get my... Alright. Okay. So what I'm going to do is put this on a cookie sheet and put it in the oven. I don't think it'll boil over, but you never know. So you're going to put this in a 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And then I will let you know how it turns out. Okay, so this is what the pie looks like when it comes out of the oven. And I've already let it cool for about 3 hours in the fridge. So when you take it out of the oven, let it sit there until most of the heat's gone and it's just, you know, kind of warm. Don't touch it, don't cut it, don't do anything. Put it in the fridge and let it get cold. And so let's see. It's been in there a few hours. The recipe said overnight if possible. So I didn't do that because we're ready to cut it, but it seems like it's ready to go. Let me cut it and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like cut. It did perfect.